Guys, what's up? It's Mike, and guess what I'm having for breakfast? Elio pizzas! Elio pizzas, Elio pizzas, Elio pizzas. Yeah. I'm not sure if this is, because it's like 11:31. So I'm not sure if this is like a brunch, breakfast, dinner, or lunch, or whatever. So, want to know how to make Elio's pizzas? Put them in the microwave. Put them in the microwave. It doesn't take a genius to put them in the microwave. Alright guys, so bye and see you in 3, 2. I'm going to cook this in the microwave. My mom said not to, my mom said I shouldn't, but I'm still going to do it. She said, whichever one you want to do, Mike. So I'm like, whichever one's faster. Then I'm like, microwave! And it has like my name in it. So I'm awesome like that. Did I put this on a paper towel? I didn't call my mom again. Hey, she said put it on a glass plate. But my home careers teacher, my crazy weird home careers teacher, said not to. But I'm like, but then I'm like to my mom, hey mom, what do I put it on? And she's like, glass plate. And I'm like, my crazy home and careers teacher said to never put glass in the microwave. She's like, some stuff is microwavable. So I'm like, whatever, let me just eat. And we're off. I've been feeling like a chef lately because I've been cooking like every day in these vlogs. Seriously, every day. Yesterday it was a grilled cheese. Today it's Elio's pizza. What's tomorrow? I don't know. Toast and an egg? My God. I'm like a chef. I wonder if you guys can like see my arm. I always wondered that. Let's take a look. You guys can see my arm. Because I hold you guys out all the way. No, you guys actually can't see my arm. I don't like holding my camera out all the way because that's one thing I liked about the Vado, wide angle lens, so I can be like, hey guys, what's up? Now, hey guys, what's up? So. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha 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 ha. Ha. Ha ha ha. Guys, what's up? It's Mike, and I forgot that today I have to go to my friend's birthday party. That's camera shy, so I'm probably not going to film anything. And I've got 4, so that's 2 hours.